Good morning everybody from the truck shop. Let's get inside and buy something beautiful. I have to check the tire size, which is written here, so we can ask if they have snow chains. Let's get inside. The things what I've got some ratchet straps and a snow chain. Let's put it on its place. Here is my deposit. These are only ratchet straps without its tensioning part. It's pretty heavy. Also a gas cylinder, and now the snow can come because we have snow chains. Let's hit the road because we are in a hurry. To stop for a 95 minutes break, and now that the the winter season came, I have bought a lot of mandarins. I think they are mandarins, and they are very sweet. So, bon appétit! Very sweet. So I'm going to eat this. I wait like 40 minutes and after that I hit the road. You can see I try to sort my registers out. The new ones I put here, and these are old ones. I verify always this tag, so as you can see here writes 2023, so it's a new one. Also looks good, doesn't have any damages on it, so it's okay to go with. These are going to go to the deposit on the truck. And when I don't have enough and it's needed, I'm going to use this one as well. These one are from 2020, so these are a little bit older. Okay, so I also sorted the ratchet straps. These are new ones, they don't have any damages on it, and these are older ones. As you can see, they have damages on it, and they have an older production date, 2018. So these are used only in the situations when I need, I don't know, 50 plus ratchet straps. So I also got new ones, so let's put this on the deposit. Okay. Beetle. Okay, so my colleague just got off in he is prepared for the winter. Inside in the truck is much warmer. So I wash my hands because my gloves are exactly broken at these fingers, but I have already got new gloves, but I think I am just sorry to put them in more because they are white and so beautiful. So, but I think I have to because my hands were very dirty. Now let's eat something because we are still waiting for my boss to call that what is going to be our next move. Bon appétit. It's approved.